What guys, if I am going to share something interesting to you, this is about, not just about the idea who is working behind Blonex, is it about the trading structure that have been designed for you. We are going to share about Blonex that is also a part of a new wave of platform that protoys user experience and while gradually expanding their future set. Yes, today, with this native token that is BLON and the episo is now live, and we can also show you how it is different from other platform, and we will also show you more streamlined experience about it. If you want to hold, you can also connect their evolent. You can evolution. So as our vote will be connected to this successfully, Blonex and B you can also talk who is also will connected. And this is also the time countdown. After that the stage will move, and in the next day 3 their price will also increase, so we can also join them as initially stages. And here you can also check some more information about their total token supply. There is also total 9 stages with 1 billion total token. If you want to join, you can also connect the wallet. Click on the buy now, and there is the interface, where you can see from many countries all over the global level, people are interested to get their token. And here is also the interface where you can use BNB and USDT. And there is also swapping feature. From one currency to another, you can just confirm and it will be connected. And then there is also the other option is about their upcoming feature. This is derivative. First is cinch. There is derivative further, and this platform who is going to offering you perpetual future engine with up and down trading. Their chart will also coming very soon on this interface. And here you can also turn further on this entity template. If you want to know about the ecosystem, you can easily go here. This is Atali, where you can see how things working. What are the ambition and how do token price will increase. Yes, this can be helpful for you even. And here is also the price stages when you will see this structure. In stage 1 U.05, this second stage $1, the $2, their $1.5 will go into the third stage. So is also Ape Johnny's Death 1 to stage 9, and you can also find the other ideas about the structure. Old urban design. Under 15% who presume 8. This means there's also some more when you into the sister Blonex. The other sister book a come if they are interested that are not what those could be you audio. Also from the suit if you to you make your name. This will make like a tree structure. And people really get the growth like this. Are you next about Mount City examples? Like if you are wine fans, A, there's also wine B, C, D, S, O. What is the next like on your tie? You will be good on ice, next pressure, soil or. There's also only Kokasha to understand. And the next is about their more important AI trading cardios. This is about the AI rules that will be used in this ecosystem. After plan Pan, this is also something that we understand. Yes, there you go, the a rule important. I'll prevent unplanned interest. And this is also about a info like rule force mate system will tag mistake pattern. And here you can also check how it looks when they'll start trading spears on the Blonex, and their neck you can also start your rank entry. And further is about their utilities. In different killer, in different die, you can see your efforts. You want to know about Tokenomics Mechi Wombly and the first status bars are also different, so you can also see here on the utilities. This is stay 2. Would you have the may other stay 2 over 40s? And there is vasting timeline, and you can also see the future details. What are the aim? Everything haven't discussed here. If you still have any question or query, you can also join them on the social drillings where everything will be discussed and everything will be notify you on time. Thanks for worrying. I'll catch your next HODL and take care and start your new Apogene with the Blonex exchange.